Hi friends, let me show you this hearing aid that I bought for my father. This is the microphone and these are the headphones. My father struggles a lot with in the ear hearing aids. So now we're going to try this one. Okay. You can use the headphones or these earphones, of course, but we are going to test the headphones. Okay, this is a hearing amplifier. Okay. Okay, you just have to charge it with this micro USB. We're going to connect it here. As you can see, it is charging. You turn it on with this dial and you put the headphones, you connect them here. Okay. Okay. It has a volume, of course, and it is aimed to have it like in a place where you are talking with somebody else or to hear the TV set. Okay. So it will give the person a better ability to hear what what the microphone is getting. Okay. You even have this extensor or this extra cable that you can use. Okay, if you want to hear the TV and the TV set is far away, you can use this cable to get the TV to the microphone to where the TV is. Or if you want to hear, if you are in the mass or in a public hearing, whatever you are and you want to hear louder, this equipment will help you, okay? So you have the volume, the microphone that can be directly in the adapter or in the extension cable, okay? You can even bring it with you with this clip, okay? So you can be walking around if you are in a outdoor event, in a garden, whatever. You can bring it with you and have the ability to hear louder. So if you have a problem using the in-ear earphones, maybe this headphone will be a better option. I'm going to try it with my father and let you know how it goes. Thank you.